Hello everyone, this is Faisal with another video. Hope you are well and staying safe. A lot of you will know that I love astronomy and I love space, and I've got a number of Lego sets that grace my office. So when Lego advertised this particular product, I couldn't resist and I had to order it. Guys, this is what I ordered. Check this out. It's NASA's Space Shuttle Discovery. Check this out, guys. Absolutely awesome. And this particular set also comes with a Hubble Telescope. So that you can see there, and then the space shuttle. And if you've got some details at the bottom, it's got about 2,354 pieces. So I'm going to have absolute fun building this particular space shuttle. And I just want to show you some of the other sets I got as far as my love for space is concerned. Check this out. Okay guys, so one of the other sets I have is this Apollo 11 lunar lander. This is one of the many sets I have, and I absolutely love this one because this lander actually landed on the moon, and you can see the astronaut coming down the ladder there, and another astronaut here as well. And at the bottom it's got a little label here, Apollo 11 lunar lander. So that's the one I have. And another of my Lego sets is this International Space Station. As you can see, absolutely a lot of detail on this particular set. And if you look at the bottom, you will even see the space shuttle parked off there as well. And we've got a couple of astronauts. So these are some of my space sets added to my space collection of the International Space Station and the Apollo 11 lunar lander. I also have a puzzle that I bought from one of the retailers, and that is a puzzle of the moon. Check this out, guys. This graces a wall in my office. Okay guys, I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the NASA Space Shuttle Discovery. Let's check it out quickly. Okay guys, so we finished complete the Space Shuttle Discovery build and the Hubble Telescope as well. And this is what the final product looks like. Check this out. Okay, so one of the pieces that comes with the Space Shuttle Discovery is the Hubble Telescope. Now this particular telescope, the launch and deployment of the Hubble Space Telescope in April 1990 marked the most significant advancement in astronomy since Galileo's telescope. So check this out in front. It's got a couple of moving parts there as well. You can actually close that. And it's also got these foils which move as well. So that's actually quite cool. So as I mentioned, it was a most significant advancement in astronomy since Galileo's telescope. It was the first major optical telescope to be placed in space. Now, space obviously is the ultimate mountaintop. Above the Earth's atmospheric distortion, rain clouds, and light pollution, Hubble had an unobstructed view of the universe. Now, scientists have used the Hubble to observe the most distant stars and galaxies, as well as the planets in our solar system. So this is one of the pieces that comes with the Space Shuttle Discovery, and with it also comes a little plaque, as you can see as well. Gives you some details there. The launch, April 24th, 1990, the launch mass, the velocity, 4.72, and the deployment altitude, which is about 350 miles. So the plaque normally comes in front, and it will give you some information when you have a looking at the Hubble telescope. Okay, so the main piece of the Lego set is obviously the Space Shuttle Discovery. So check this out, guys. Absolutely stunning. Look at this. And I'm just going to turn it around a bit. It's rotating on a stand, which it comes with. So this is just awesome. And if you look at the back, that's the boosters and the engines at the back. And if I come back to the side, now check this out, right? The payload bay actually opens. As you can see, I'm opening up the payload bay. And then the other side opens as well. Like that. And they got a little tool here which you use to attach the Hubble telescope into the payload bay. So you can display the Space Shuttle Discovery like this, with the payload bay open, or you can even close it like that and display the Hubble separately. Alternatively, you can open up the payload bay like that, and then put the Hubble telescope in here and use the control arm that you have here to actually make it look like you are taking out the Hubble telescope from the payload bay to be launched in space. So this is a little item that you use to do that. But as I mentioned, absolutely brilliant. We're going to close this payload bay and just speak a little bit about this iconic Space Shuttle Discovery. So basically, 5 Space Shuttle orbiters made up NASA's Space Shuttle Transportation System, or STS fleet: Columbia, Challenger, Discovery, and Atlantis and Endeavour. Now combined, they flew 135 missions, carrying 355 people into space. Now that's absolutely amazing. One of the most successful spaceflight icons. Now Discovery, the model of which I have here, flew the most missions, carrying the highest number of passengers while traveling further and higher than the other orbiters. It was also Discovery's assignment to launch and deploy the Hubble Space Telescope in April 1990 as part of the STS-31 mission. Now in 2021, the 40th anniversary of the Space Shuttle program, LEGO took the opportunity to revisit this famous mission, and that's where they created this wonderful, wonderful set. You can even check out the crew cockpit. So all you have to do is lift this up, and as you can see, that's the inside of the crew cockpit. And if I put that back in, and then there's another level as well. If I open up that, you can see the second level as well. So I'm just going to put that back. Absolutely amazing, guys. I mean, I'm just so in love with the Space Shuttle. Now, I just want to show you underneath. I'm going to take it off its stand and show you what it looks like underneath. So underneath, you do have the front landing gear and the 2 landing gears at the back, which can retract as well. So they're spring loaded, as you can see, and this one as well, spring loaded. And there's little spaces here for the stand, which you can then mount it like that. And then we come to the back. You can see the flap also moves, and that turns this as well. So as you can see, it rotates. And then this also moves as well. Okay guys, so a little bit about the Space Shuttle Atlantis from the designer. There's the Lego designer, Milan Mech. He's written a little comment in the manual. So he says that the Space Shuttle is one of the most complex vehicles ever made. So translating this into a Lego set was a little daunting. He said they needed to create a smooth exterior and an interior capable of holding the payload. But the biggest challenge was adding functional landing gear. He says trying to couple the front and main landing gear without removing any space from the payload bay and without compromising the structure of the model was a real puzzle. He says it's easy to be blown away by the complex engineering and sheer power of these vehicles, but for him, the most fascinating thing about spaceflight is the human element. And he goes on to say that's why his favorite part of this particular model is the tiny blue seats that carried 5 human beings on this special mission. He says he spent hours as a kid building his own versions of the lunar lander and Discovery orbiter in Lego bricks. So to be asked to work on this particular project was very, very exciting and an absolute privilege for him. So this is from the Lego designer Milan Mech and also from the Lego design team. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel. And remember, I have a whole lot of other videos on my channel, reviews of smartphones and many other videos as well. So please check those out as well. And remember to share this video and the others as well so that others can also subscribe to my channel. I really do need your support and I really appreciate all the support. So until next time, please do take care of yourself and each other. Stay safe. See you around. Peace.